Good morning, student. Today we're going to study our third chapter, more on Windows 7. In the previous class, we already discussed about Windows, about features of Windows, common features of Windows. How do you change your wallpaper? How do you apply your screensaver on your system? And how do you arranging the open windows? And after that we discuss about the file. And previous class we already discussed to creating a file or folder and how do you open the file and folders. Now in this class we discuss how do you rename the file and folders. Students, why we give the name to the file and folders? If you do not give the name or rename your file and folders, then it is impossible to understand you which file is this, the which topic, on which topic you make this file or folders. So it has a big problem. To avoid these problems, we discuss avoid this problem. We use the rename our file and folders. And now we discuss how do you rename your file and folder. First of all, you right click on the file and folder that has to be renewed, renamed. Which file and folders you want to rename, you just right click on it, on this file and folder, and rename it, which you want to rename. Next, when you right click on it, this menu is appear. This menu is appear and you go to the rename options. Here it is. Go to rename options. After that, you type the new name in the highlighted area. You click on it, rename options, and highlighted areas, you type your new names. And after that, you press enter. Okay. The file and folders will be renamed. When you press the enter, and file and folders will be renamed. Copying and moving the file and folders. What is the options? Right click on a file and folders to be copied. Which file and folders you want to copy, you just right click on it and this menu is appear. You click copy option. You want to copy, so you click on copy options. After that, the click on the folder where the file or folders is to be the copied. Okay, you go to the another place and you click the paste where you want to paste it, where you want to move your files. Okay, first click on the file and folders, Next, go to the right click and click on copy, and after that where you want to shift your file and folders, you go there and uh, right click on it, and again you give the paste option. Click on paste option, and you can see the your that file will be copied and paste a new locations. Now we discuss about the how do you delete a file and folders. Right click on the file and folders that has been you want to delete it, and click the delete options in the shortcut menu, or the simply selects the files and folders page. You click on the file and folders with which you want to delete it. You click on it, and after that you go the delete options on this menu. You click the delete option, and from the keyboard, and also the you get the options from this menu also, the delete options, and the file the deleted files dialogs box will be displayed. The click yes, when you click the delete, and this that deleted dialogs box is appear, you click on it, the delete, and after that yes or no is an options will be given you, and then you select the yes. When you click the yes, and your file will be deleted. Okay. And one more things, we also use the cart options to move our files and folders. Okay, because we want to cut it our files, and you go to the another or new locations, and you want to the paste options. You use to paste options. Then you can see that you move your files and folders. For the moving your files and folders, you use the cart option. Copying the file and folders place it use the new copy your files go for a new locations, and deleting it from the original locations, and moving the files and folders means to the transport it from the original locations to a new location. Okay, when you move it, and you go to the one you want to the paste on it, so then you go to the new locations. Okay, and it will be possible for the copying your file and folders. Okay, you cut for moving, you cut options we can use to move the files or folders, and copy options we can use, and we can copy the files and folders for our new locations. Now we discuss about the restoring the deleted files and folders. Students, in the deleted dialog box is when appear the your and provide you to the yes or no. You press the yes options. If you press the yes options, so then you maybe delete your files. Your file will be deleted, and after that, after a few times, you think that that files is very important for you, and you want to restore that files. Then how do you possible for the restoring that files and folders? Yes, it is possible. Do you know how it is possible? I will say you how it is possible to restoring your deleted files. Deleted files and folders are the temporarily stored in your recycle bin. Student, do you see the recycle bin? Picture of the recycle bin. And recycle bin is the dustbin. It is the one kinds of icons you can see on your desktop. Here it is. See, it is the recycle bin. Okay, it is the picture of recycle bin. Okay, and it is called the dustbin of the computers, and this icon you can see on your system. And when you delete your files and folders, and that file and folder will be deleted, and that will be goes to the recycle bin, and and it is the deleted temporarily from your desktop. Okay, so your system give the options for the restoring of files and folders. Then deleted files and folders are the temporarily stored in the recycle bin. We can get them the back from there. You the press the delete options and your file will be deleted. But if after the few times you want that files, so how it is possible? Yes, it is maybe possible when you click the recycle bin and you can see the all your deleted files which already you delete it from your system from the for temporarily. You deleted all the files and folders. Okay, these are calls that we can get back from the delete. We can get back that delete, and this is called the restoring. Restoring, store and again you store it. So student, it is called the restoring. To do this, we can also follow these given steps. And now I discuss with you how do you restoring your deleted files and folders. Double click on the recycle bin. Double click on the recycle bin icons. Okay, and on the desktop, double click on the your recycle bin icon. Students, one thing I say you, that if you open any files or folders, so you double click on this file and folders, then you can open it. Otherwise not. So you double click on your recycle bin icon on the desktop, which is on the desktop. You double click on it and select the files and folders that has been restored, and right click on the files and folders that click on the restores the files and returns. The file is returns to be original locations, and you want to restore it, you click on it, restore it, and your file already you can see the new locations. This can the close recycle. You can close the recycle bins icons. Okay. There are another method to the restoring your deleted files and folders from the recycle bin. The students, already we discussed the one method and now we discuss the another ones. Okay. The select the files and folders dialog, drag it to out from the recycles bins and drop it out in the desktop. Thus, the deleted files will be the restored from the recycle bin. Now we discuss about the Windows Explorer. This Explorer is the very handy tools. It is the very handy tools from the managing our files and folders in the computers. It is the rightly called the file manager. Why this Windows Explorer is called the file manager? Because the Windows Explorer are very handles tools for the managing over the file and folders in a computer. and it is rightly called the file manager. The following steps to open the Windows Explorer. How do you open it? Now we discuss. Okay. First you click the start. First you click start. After that all program. Next you go to the accessories options, and after that Windows Explorer. This Windows Explorer is divided into the two parts. Windows Explorer is divided into the two parts. These left sessions, the left pans, the contains the folders and the displays the available folders and the subfolders and divides such as the computers, libraries, networks and the various. It is also known that tree plants. The students, what is the tree plants? The left sections contains the folders and display the available folders or the subfolders. Divides such as the computers, libraries, such as computers, libraries, new work, network, and the favorites. It is also known as the computer pens, and it is the tree plants. The right hands the sessions is also known as content plant. And this right sessions also the display the files and folders from the sections, and the folders is the tree. Tree means the right hand sections is also called the controls panel. Now students, we discuss about the arranging the files and folders. How do you arrange it? We discuss the Windows previous several ways to arranging and identifying the files when a folders is opened. Those Windows previous several way already it is the previous several ways to the arranging and the identify the files, and which when the files is the opens, we can access the various view options. We can access the various view options in the various menu. The right click on the back options. So, right click on the blanks part, black portions in the right panes of the Windows Explorer and select the required options. And the Windows Explorer is the selects the required options to the view menu. And these various view options of the Windows Explorer are the examples below. Next, large icons. These display the large icons of the files and folders. This in the Windows XP, there are called the thumbnails. In the Windows XP, we use the thumbnails. And medium icons. Extra large icons means you can see the file's names is elaborately, and after that we discuss the medium slash icons. It display the mediums icons, the informations like the files and folders names, the files type, the size, and the data on which it is the created, and which is in it is the created. This mediums icons is the display the mediums. This icon through these icons we display the also mediums with the informations like the files and folders names. And this type, this file size is the data on which it is carried. And now we discuss the large icons. This is the large icon. This display the large icon with the informations like the files and folders names and the file and folders type, size, and data on which it is the created. And after that we discuss the small icons. Small icons display the files and folders names icons and with the names. The students in this topic, the arranging the files and folders we discuss, we get the mm, we can see the different type of files with their size, and students will see the extra large icon, medium icons, and large icon, extra large icon, medium icons, and extra large icon, medium icons, large icon, and small icon. Small icons, extra large icon, medium icon, large icon, and small icons. It is the importance to create the regular backup in the files apart from the storing lives. Students, you must be take your backup, otherwise you it is the one kind of part of uh, uh, it is the one kind of part of your files for to the storing devs. Now list. List. It shows the list and files and folders with the small icon. List the files and folders, small icons. And next, the details. Details. And in this details, we can see details like the name, type, size, modifieds, delete, data, and data of the data of the certains, and that data of the last access for each files and folders. Students, this deleted files and folders, what is this? It is shows the last deleted likes, the it is file size, files names, okay, and use this the deleted files and the data and the last access from the each files and folders. So in the with the help of the list, we see the list of the files and folders names in the small icon. Okay, and deletes icons. We can see this options is shows to the file size, file name and modifies the data and data recordings, and the data is the lots data uh, of the last exercise from the each files and folders. And next we discuss about the tiles. I saw this the list of the tiles of and the flowers and the folders with the medium size icons is the various and the tiles icons. In these icons we can see that it shows the list of the deletes files and folders. Medium size icons are the various commonly. And next the contents. Next we discuss about the contents. In this contents, in this topic, we learn about the it shows the list of the files and folders with the icons. With the icons, we can see the files and folders names, and there are the type and size. And this is contains icons. We can see the list of the files and folders. We can with the icons, the files names and their type of size. Okay. So in this chapter we discuss the about some the softwares and versions of the softwares. Okay, which versions we get, it is the very popular. We discuss on it, and after that the to changing the wallpaper and to change the your screensaver. Okay, how do you change it? Um, I hope that everybody understand this very well. And arranging your open windows, and after that we create, we store, we renames and type or deletes your files and folders from yours for create the files and folders uh, on your system, and you can open it, you can rename it, you can save it. What is the process? In this chapter we learn it. How do you open your files and folders, need the renames? I hope that everybody have no any doubts. If you have any doubts, then you can tell me. Okay. Thank you, students.